Hey guys, if you need quick funding for your business, PayPal offers fast and easy loans with no credit check for some users. In this video, I will show you how to apply for PayPal loan in 2025, eligibility requirements, and what you need to qualify. Let's get started. So, PayPal offers two types of loans. The first one is PayPal Working Capital. In this, no credit check is needed and it should be based on your PayPal's sales history. Now, second one is PayPal's Business Loan. It requires a credit check but offers higher loan amounts. If you're PayPal users with regular transaction, working capital is the fastest option. Now, how to apply for PayPal loan? So first of all, navigate to paypal.com on your browser, sign in and click on PayPal Business Loans under More section. If you are eligible, you will see loan offers available to you. Select working capital if you prefer automatic repayments from your PayPal sales and choose business loan if you want fixed terms payments. Now, enter your business details, requested loan amount and answer a few questions and PayPal will instantly determine your eligibility for working capital or review your application for a business loan. Once approved, review the interest rate, repayment terms and fees. Click accept to finalize your loan and funds are deposited instantly for working capital loans. Business loans typically fund within 24 to 48 hours. Now, to qualify for PayPal loan, you need a PayPal business or Premier account and at least 15,000 working capital or 33,000 business loan in annual PayPal sales. Now, you also need a US based business for business loans and no open PayPal loans for working capital. And that's it. Getting a PayPal loan in 2025 is simple and fast. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications for more finance tips. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.